Welcome to Lisa's Looks. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on Eva. She also has a channel, so make sure you go over to her channel and give her a big thumbs up. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this color right here. I'm going to do a smoky eye. Okay. Okay, so make sure you don't get it not like too much or else it will just look bad. Okay, now I'm going to do a little lighter color. It's going to be this color right here. I might do a little bit more on the end. Okay, do you think we should move on to the mascara? Yeah. Okay.
And then we're done. Almost.
Almost. We have to do the blush, and then I don't think we should do the lipstick because I have a cold, and I don't want you to shave my lipstick. Yeah, turn. Got a little in your hair. Whatever, we'll wipe that off at the end. You don't want it too bumpy or else it'll look all droopy and then that look good? You like that? Okay. So now let's do the, what are we on?
Blush.
Yeah. I have this super pretty one. It's like copper.
That's kind of a funny word. Copper. Copper.
Okay.
I get it.
Some people think you like put it like right here, but you actually put it like up here.
And like if there's a background color, you put it on your forehead, like on your chin, and then you put like a main color.
You want me to
just
do that
on your
or no?
cheeks. I don't care.
You choose.
I don't care.
Okay, whatever. I'll just do it on your cheeks. Your cheekbone.
Oh wow.
Holy. Okay, it's okay. We'll wipe that off.
You're kind of in the way.
Okay, do you like that?
Mm-hmm.
You need to do a little bit more eyeshadow? Or no? Do you think that looks good?
I don't care.
Okay, I'll just
Leave it, maybe?
Let's just leave it, okay? Well, that's all for today. So, bye!